Watch me send a wireless message from hackRF to Flipper 0. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, just pure radio waves. Let me show you how. First, let's prep the Flipper. Install this app. Step 2. PortaPack setup. Now on the PortaPack, tap Transmit. POCSAG. Change the settings to what you see on the video. Set message. Time to catch that signal. Open Pager app. Select Receive. Set frequency. Now it's listening. Hit Start on PortaPack. Boom! Look at that. Message appeared instantly. This 1990s tech still working in 2025. Visit sapsan-sklep.pl for all your SDR gear.